Hello, I bought new tractor trailer, so let's take it to this first ride and make a test. I tried trailer with the tractor for the first time. It's going okay, but still need to get some feeling, especially while reversing with lot of backlash into steering wheel. It's homemade trailer by request, because I got it cheaper and make by my wish. I buy it more or less for driving the excavator around. Down here is my house, so I need almost an hour of driving with the excavator to get home. Okay, let's check the trailer a bit first. Casting is size 170 by 300 cm. Total load capacity is about 3 tons, and it got only 40 cm high strong and heavy planks, so I can easily rotate with the excavator over them. Rear plank pillar can be removed, and of course also side and front planks, so I get only platform. Here additional groove, so I can put some wood into when driving clogs or something. Back plank can be opened from the top or from below. With a bit of modification could do also side planks, because it got that type of locking mechanism all around. Let's start the excavator, so meanwhile the oil will heat up a bit. Now check what's under the casting. I got one hydraulic line for tripper cylinder, which is strong 5 ton 5 stage. I don't know, but I think the bottom is reinforced enough. There are also some hooks for fixing belt. Of course this is 3-side tipper, so you need to set blocking pin properly to choose side. Another hydraulic hose connected to other valve is for the brakes. Here we got one side cylinder with a spring in it, so when we open the valve it brakes, and when released it going back by itself. It also got rotatable connections, so if I roll the tractor got more chance to stay on wheels. And there's also 3D third leg, so plug and unplug the trailer is easy job. Let's try to upload the excavator now. I do that for the first time, without ramps. It's a dangerous job, so please don't do that like I do if you love yourself. I forgot to put blocking pins by diagonal, so the castle stay fixed in all sides. But if the trailer wasn't tip a bit, I couldn't get on with the excavator, because excavator tracks is too short for that height, so the plow touched the ground. It'd be much easier and safety if I only leave the excavator on the plow and then someone drive the trailer back under the excavator. But I want to make test if I can upload by myself on flat terrain. Okay, safely or not, the excavator is on the trailer now, so I can go home. Before going I play a bit with the trailer brake, which hold really good. For the first time I drove a bit slower in third gear. Third gear will be good. When I come to the biggest hill I try to stop and figure it out that it's not a problem with hydraulic brake. I don't even need a tractor brake anymore. Also, if I drive very slowly I still come down much faster than with the excavator itself. For unloading I use different tactics, so I put trailer next to hill to draw excavator direct from trailer to the hill. But also unloading wasn't perfect, because hill wasn't in line with the trailer and soil was very soft here. Okay, I moved the excavator successfully, so I make a test also with the sand. For the first time I didn't load it fully, because I don't know if the 45 horsepower tractor can pull out of sand surface not to bury into. But there you go, so I load every trailer more and more, until I stuck with half of tractor into sand and need to unload the trailer to get it out. side tipping need to set a blocking pin on side hinge, so take one from rear and insert it to front hinge. A few days later I make a full capacity test, so I fully fill the trailer which handle a bit more than 2 cubic meter with heavy sand and make a long drive. What can I say? Trailers are good for the job I need. I got them much cheaper than the one from the store. I paid 2600 euro for it, and the trailer is ideally for that size of tractor, so not too heavy like some old trailers and still made stronger than new ones. Shortly, I'm happy with new buy. Hope it served me a lot of years. Thanks for watching, like, share, subscribe if you like, and see you next time.